Are you looking to improve your credit score quickly in 2026? Whether you're planning to make a big purchase, apply for a loan, or simply want better financial health, having a solid credit score is essential. With advancements in AI technology and new tools at your disposal, you can take proactive steps to boost your score faster than ever. In this guide, we'll explore the top 8 strategies to improve your credit score fast, giving you the tools to optimize your credit profile and ensure long-term financial success. 1. The AI Utilization Microsweep. One of the fastest ways to improve your credit score is by managing your credit card utilization. Instead of waiting until your statement date to pay off your balance, consider using an AI-driven sweep tool that automatically pays down your balance whenever it hits 25% of your credit limit. Credit scores in 2026 are based on real-time reporting, meaning that your balance is constantly monitored. Keeping your balance low daily, rather than just on the statement date, prevents utilization spikes that negatively impact your score. By using a sweep tool to keep your balance below 25%, you avoid hitting utilization thresholds that would hurt your score. If you keep your balance low consistently, you show the credit bureaus that you can manage your credit responsibly. This proactive approach can help you maintain a steady and positive credit utilization ratio, which plays a crucial role in improving your credit score. Over time, these micro sweeps will result in an increased score, and they prevent the fluctuations that typically lead to credit score drops. 2. AltData Enrollment, the 2026 Boost. Did you know that traditional credit scores ignore up to 80% of your financial activity? In 2026, many credit scoring models now factor in alternative data, non-traditional information like your on-time payments for streaming services, utility bills, and rent. By enrolling in services like Experian Boost or RentTrack, you can link your regular payments to your credit profile, significantly boosting your score. For example, if you've been paying your Netflix or internet bill on time for the past year, this can help your score rise by 30 to 50 points in just 30 days. This simple strategy is a great way to give your credit profile a much-needed boost, especially if you have a thin credit file or limited credit history. Many people overlook these payments, but they can have a profound impact on your credit score in 2026. By adding these non-traditional payments to your credit report, you can show lenders that you're responsible with your finances, even if you don't have a large credit history. This tool is incredibly powerful for individuals looking to build or improve their credit score quickly, especially if you've previously struggled to establish a solid credit history. With just a few simple actions, you can improve your creditworthiness and open the door to more financial opportunities. 3. The Virtual Card Consolidation. One of the key factors in improving your credit score is maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio. To simplify this, you can create a virtual credit builder card with a hard limit, such as $100, and use it exclusively for small, recurring subscriptions like a gym membership or streaming service. This approach creates a perfect utilization record, where your card is always used for small, consistent purchases, ensuring you never exceed a 2% usage rate. With a dedicated virtual card, you can ensure that your credit utilization stays low without risking overuse. The key is that by keeping your utilization rate well below 30%, and ideally at around 2%, you're demonstrating responsible credit management. Additionally, this approach helps improve your score by maintaining low debt and avoiding unnecessary purchases that can harm your credit. This strategy is particularly useful for individuals who might struggle with impulse purchases or have a tendency to overspend. By restricting yourself to a virtual credit card with a small limit, you're able to keep your finances in check while improving your credit score in a controlled and intentional manner. Over time, this can lead to noticeable improvements in your credit profile with minimal effort. 4. Credit Limit Arbitrage, the silent request. In 2026, there's a clever way to boost your credit score without the need for a hard credit pull. Credit limit increases. Using an AI assistant, you can monitor your credit accounts for eligibility windows every 6 months. When the time is right, the AI can request a credit limit increase on your behalf without initiating a hard pull, an inquiry that could temporarily lower your score. By increasing your available credit limit while maintaining your current spending levels, you instantly improve your credit utilization ratio. This is one of the fastest ways to boost your score because the higher your available credit, the less you're utilizing, which is a key factor in how your credit score is calculated. A higher limit allows you to maintain a lower utilization ratio, which directly impacts your credit score in a positive way. This tactic is a simple yet effective method to improve your credit score by increasing your available credit while keeping your spending under control. The AI assistant makes it easy to manage this process, ensuring that you're consistently improving your credit score with minimal effort. 5. The Authorized User 2.0 Piggybacking. Piggybacking on someone else's strong credit history is an old trick, but in 2026, it's faster and more accessible than ever. To boost your credit score, have a family member or friend with a perfect long-standing credit account add you as an authorized user. In today's digital age, this process is instant, and the positive history from their account will be added to your credit report in the next reporting cycle. Even though you don't need to use the physical card, their impeccable credit history will merge with yours, boosting your score. This is a particularly useful strategy for individuals with limited or poor credit history, as it can provide an instant boost by leveraging someone else's strong credit record. This tactic can raise your credit score by several points, and the best part is that it doesn't require any effort on your part other than being added as an authorized user. 6. Dispute with algorithmic precision. Many people don't realize that credit reports often contain errors, whether it's misspelled addresses, outdated employer information, or incorrect timestamps. These micro-errors can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, but in 2026, AI-powered legal tech tools can help you spot these errors quickly and efficiently. Rather than writing letters or going through a lengthy dispute process, you can use AI to scan your credit report for inaccuracies and initiate disputes automatically. These AI tools identify even the smallest discrepancies, such as duplicates or incorrect reporting, and generate a dispute request on your behalf. If a bureau can't verify a specific data point within 30 days, they are often required to remove the negative remark, which can improve your score significantly. By using AI to automate this process, you save time and increase the chances of successfully removing inaccurate information from your credit report. 7. The Debt Shuffle Strategy. If you have high-interest credit card debt, it's time to take action. Instead of carrying revolving debt that can harm your credit score, consider transferring it to a fixed-rate personal loan. In 2026, credit models see revolving debt credit cards as high risk, but installment debt loans is considered much more stable. Even if your total debt stays the same, your credit score can improve because your credit card utilization drops to zero. By shifting your high-interest credit card balances to a personal loan with a fixed rate, you stabilize your debt while maintaining a lower utilization ratio. This strategy is particularly effective for reducing your overall debt burden while also positively impacting your credit score. 8. BNPL, Buy Now, Pay Later reporting. In 2026, many BNPL services like Klarna and Affirm now offer the option to report on-time payments to credit bureaus. If you use these services for essential purchases, it's a good idea to opt into reporting. This turns a typically hidden transaction into a visible positive mark on your credit report, which can improve your score over time. By using BNPL responsibly and opting to have your payments reported, you add positive credit history to your profile, which helps to build your score. This is an easy way to improve your credit score, especially if you use BNPL for necessary purchases like groceries or household items. There you have it, the top 8 steps to improve your credit score fast in 2026. From using AI tools to automate your payments to leveraging BNPL services for credit building, these strategies will help you take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your credit and boosting your financial health. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to take first. I'll see you in the next video.